Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are proceeding with the next question and series which are related to DevOps management role, right? If you are preparing for this role, so then this series is for you only. This is Samiksha Desai, your Agile management coach and mentor who are going to really helping you, trying to help you out, go ahead with the interviews, right? Yeah, so if you are having any concern in doubts or need some insights or more insights something, just put it in the comment box so that I would like to help you out as soon as possible. Just share, subscribe my channel, share with your friends, colleagues who are preparing for this role. These question and answers are really important for them, and none of these questions they are going to face in interviews, right? Yeah, so just be with me and let's go ahead and see what are the next question and answers which are prepared for you from my end, right? Yeah. So the question number 41, that is, give me an example when you had to show good leadership in a critical production outage at the fintech client. Multiple services went down simultaneously. What they are ask you, that is, give an example you have show a good leadership, right? Yeah. So I immediately took ownership, called the cross functional war room. I assigned the clear rules while keeping the leadership and stakeholders updated in the real time as well. So by prioritizing the most critical services first and leveraging the automation scripts for rollbacks, we restored the service within the 40 minutes. Afterward, I laid a blameless postmortem and implemented the monitoring dashboard to prevent the reoccurrence. Okay, yeah. So this situation demonstrated that leadership in the DevOps is about the claim decisions making, clear communications, and the empowering the team to act effectively under the pressure, right? Yeah. So the next question, tell me about the situation when you had to speak up and be assertive about the point of view that was important to you. Getting the question clearly, just get the question clearly, okay? Understand the question first and then go to for the answer, because answers are mainly you can see are the same for the all question and questions, right? You have to just frame and present according to they are going to asking you, right? Yeah, that's it, nothing else. You need to learn something more, you need not to prepare something more, nothing. You have to swap your words and the experience as per their questions, okay, and just present it. No worries. Okay. So during the cloud migration project, some stakeholders wanted to skip the automated testing to speed up the delivery. I firmly recommended against it. They're setting the risk to production stability and the regularity, the complaints as well, right? I presented the data from the previous releases showing the bug rates and the potential financial impact, the suggested compromises as well. Parallel automated smoke testing is staging, okay, in staging, that is pre-production environment, staging environment, while continuing while limited manual releases. The approach was accepted and we avoided critical downtime as well. I learned that assertive backed by data and the practical alternatives as well build the credibility, right? Yes. Then the next question, tell me about the time when your active listening skills really paid off. In one of the project, a junior engineer was hesitant to report repeated deployment failures. By actively listening and asking probing questions, I discovered that the issue was due to misconfigured environments variable overlooked in the documentation. Sometimes you always think that junior engineers are getting the situations quickly because they are in the learning phases, right? So they grab that attention, grab that issues attention quickly, but they are not going to stood up, right? Why? Because of the seniority persons, right? Leaderships or something. They sometimes afraid that if they are saying something wrong or which are really not important or something, how they will senior person will feel about me. Then they think like I am not well educated or n- not getting the technical things or something. So then they will stay behind, right? So you have to ask them by probing questions as well, right? This is the active listening skill. So by addressing this root cause, we preventing future failures and also update the onboarding guides. You can go ahead with the separate meetings with them where senior persons are not be present. One on one meeting you can take with them, right? Yeah. So engineer later became the confident and raising the issues proactively. You have to build the confidence, right, in between them, their mindset, right? Yeah. So the infos that active listening uncovers the hidden problems always and empowers the teams as well, self-dependent teams, right? So critical for the effective DevOps leadership then. So the next question which I have prepared for you, that is, what has been your experience in giving presentation to large or small groups? What is your experience? So I regularly conduct the presentations for the stakeholders, developers, and the cross-functional teams. For example, I led the workshop for 50 plus engineers and product managers on CI/CD best practices and automated security testing. I combine the visual storytelling and real-world examples as well and interactive demos to maintain the engagement. You can present the POCs also, okay, so that they can learn and they can start some the experimenting things in their teams as well, right? Yeah. So feedback showed improved adoption of the best practices across the teams, which also reduce the release errors, right? Yeah. So I see the presentations as an extensions of the coaching. They are an opportunity to influence the culture and encourage collaboration. Getting my points? Yeah, so this is all over my experience in giving the presentations to large scale or the small groups as well, right? Yes. So, so far we have discussed four question and answers in these videos. Just go through the whole series one by one videos so and prepare yourself for this role. Okay. If you are having any concern down, just put it in the comment box. If you are having insights as well, just put it in the comment box so that we all are grow up together, right? Yeah. So just be with me and thank you.